It's Kelly from Weed Action. I've stopped on the side of the road and I'm going to do a quick hour's worth of moth plant control. As you can see behind me here, it's a pretty big vine, a couple of vines that's in full flower at the moment. So now's the time to control your moth plant because once it's formed pods, it's a lot harder to get out of the trees. And in fact, you usually accidentally leave some pods behind, and then those seeds, and there'll be thousands of them, they will disperse to the areas that we're trying to protect, like Breamhead, Manaia, Cody Mountain, Reatahi. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an hour's worth of control here. I'll come back in a week's time and I'll see what I've missed. It's always going to be something you miss, and I will hit those ones again. So I'm just going to quickly show you what to do. It's really easy to control moth plant. But the key is keeping on top of it, because you know, if you have one pod burst, then you've got a lot of work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and manually remove as much as possible without the use of herbicide. Yeah, we're lucky enough to be able to, you know, keep the herbicide use down for moth plant, so that's a bonus. What I can do is I'll show you down here some stems. So I can find a vine, trace the base back where it is in contact with the soil, and I'm going to try and pull this one out, see how I go. No, I can give it a wiggle and I feel as if I'm going to break the roots when I pull that. So I'm going to have to use herbicide in this instance. So what I'm going to do is, sorry about the wobbly videoing, I'm going to snip it off right at the very base. And I'm going to immediately treat the stump with my special concoction of Tordon brush killer at a rate of 100 mils per litre. And I'm going to give it a bit of a squirt. Now I want to make sure that stem that I've just cut is hung up in the nearby vegetation so that it doesn't reroot. I can pull out seedlings and just leave them on the ground to rot, that'll be fine. But when it comes to the more thicker vines, you want to leave them up off the ground so they don't reroot. So yeah, get out there, get amongst it. If you see some moth plant on the side of the road close to your property, you don't want that invading your own property, get out there and do it. And give Weed Action a call if you need anything. We're totally here to support the community to do weed control. So we offer resources, advice, herbicides, you know, rates, everything you need to know to get the job done, we can provide for you in a safe way. And all you got to do is give us a call or an email. You can check out our website if you like for more control methods, and which is www.weedaction.org.nz. Good luck.